So making hot chocolate sauce for the pancake, I put 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix, 2 tablespoons of Nutella, and I'm adding hot milk. The hot milk is around 5 tablespoons. For making blueberry compote for the pancake, the coconut pancake we're making, this is around 200 grams of blueberry, whole blueberry. I'm putting half of lemon juice inside and grate the lemon zest into it. Lemon or lime. Lime is better. I'm using lime here. So half of the lime you can put it as a zest. Zest is the skin. You grate it and keep it. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I'm adding golden syrup, 2 tablespoons. Allow the berry to cook for at least 5 minutes till this water gets thickened and slightly reduced. Now the compote is ready. It's thickened enough. The berries are cooked nicely and we just leave it to cool it down. So in a bowl, mixing bowl, I put 1 egg, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Just mix it, slightly beat. So once it's slightly airy, I'm adding coconut milk powder, 4 tablespoons, because what we're making is a coconut pancake, coconut flavor. Mix it nicely to make a nice paste. To this, adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it in. Adding milk. You can use cold milk. 100 grams now. Mix it without lumps. A smooth. Now adding plain flour. If you want to use self-raising flour, it's much better. Use it. I'm using self-raising. So half of the flour now. Mix it smoothly without any lumps. It becomes a nice smooth paste. At this stage, add in the leftover milk. Add in the leftover flour. So total 500 grams of flour. Make it a bit airy and light and fluffy. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and fold it in. Now the batter is ready. I'm just adding 50 grams of melted butter and mix it. Non-stick pan, preheated, nice hot. Apply butter on the bottom and then spoon in the pancake mix. So on a pan of this size, you can easily put 4. Cover and cook it for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we can turn the sides. Turn it. Nice, crispy and fluffy. Brush with butter, clarified butter or melted butter. Then cover and cook it for another 2 minutes. So now we need to plate the pancake. Okay, put one on the base. Put some blueberries. So 1 teaspoon full of blueberry compote. Arrange banana. Banana slice. 1 banana is enough. Just drizzle the chocolate sauce we made, chocolate and Nutella. Okay, now put another layer of pancake. After putting 1 more layer of pancake, you repeat the same process what we did on the bottom layer. So it's almost 3 layers, and then just drizzle more chocolate on the top. So now top it with some vanilla cream. Grate some lime zest on top. To finish it off, sprinkle some Cocoa Pops on the top, so that gives a crunchiness or Rice Krispies,